Hello everyone, welcome to 12am coding. So today we will be seeing very important shortcuts in IntelliJ, and this video will be going to part 1 of this particular series, and we'll be creating some more videos regarding this. So in this particular video we will be seeing 5 important commands, okay? And this I'll be showing you on Mac, but I'll be mentioning the corresponding Windows commands also. So first command is our command. If you are on Mac, then you can press command N, okay, and this will open this particular pop-up, so you can generate constructor, getter, setter to string method. If you want to generate, you can do. So let's say if I want to generate constructor, then you can just select and generate your constructor. And then let's say if I need getter, setter, so I just again press command N, and you can just select getter, setter, and you are able to do it. And same in window, you can do alt plus insert, actually alt plus insert in Windows, okay. So this is the first command. Now our second command is, if you want to search any class in your particular project, then how you can do. So you can just press double shift, and this is common for Windows and Mac both. So let's say if I want to search this fruit service, so I just search this fruit service. Anything you can search here, okay. And there is one interesting thing. If you will do this, then the first letter of the file name, right, you can just search through that. So if I write fs, okay, so it is just pointing to this. If you see, this became little highlighted, fs fruit service, okay. So we can do like this. And then let's say this spring rest api application, so spring rest api application. So if you see, all those words are getting highlighted, so you can do this way, okay. So this is our second command. It is same in Windows and Mac, which is shift you need to press 2 times. Then our third command is, if you want to navigate to implementation of particular class, right, then let's say we are having a fruit service. So if you want to navigate to this fruit service where it is, then you can just do in Mac command option and B, okay. And if you see, we came to the fruit service. So in Mac it is command option and B. In Windows, the corresponding command is control alt plus B, okay. So control alt. In Mac it is command option, okay. Then our fourth command will be, if you want to format the code, if you want to reformat. For example, if let me just make this code little messy, okay, and then let's see if we can reformat. So in the Mac, you need to press Command Option L. Okay, and if you see, it formatted our code. Okay, everything got formatted. And in the Windows, the corresponding command will be Control Alt L. Okay, so this is our fourth shortcut. Now the fifth shortcut will be, if you, let's say, want to extract something into the variable. For example, if I am having this fruit class object, okay, this I am using constructor to create this particular data. So let me remove this return. If you want to extract this particular into the variable, so what you can do, you can press command option then V. Okay, if you see, it automatically created whatever it is returning. So I can just select it and I can return the orange now. Okay, so it is just extraction of variable. Command option V in Mac. In Windows, the corresponding command is Control Alt V. Okay, then one more related to this is, if you want to extract some particular thing into the method. For example, this I want in one different method. So what you can do, you can simply do command option and M. Okay, and 1 minute, command option M. So if you see, it has created the method for us, which is get orange. So it is automatically returning us this particular thing. And in Windows, you can do control alt M. Okay, so these are 5 shortcuts, okay. And in the next tutorial we will be seeing some more interesting shortcuts, so stay tuned. And if you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.